and sweet guide for you today. The special gift for any love languages. You can top up your gift giving this year by giving a gift that actually speaks to your sweetheart love language. What is a love language? In short, it's the distinct way that each person receives love to receive love. We each crave one of those or two of those languages more than the rest, and we also tend to show love using the languages that we love to receive. It's not always the same, but there's like these ones that we prefer to receive. There is a beautiful book by Dr. Gary Chapman, and it's called The 5 Love Languages, and it presents the idea that there are 5 different ways to receive love: words of affirmations, acts of service, quality time, receiving gifts or giving gifts, and physical touch. It's also important to note that while most people tend to have one dominant love language, you can definitely be drawn to more than one, or all of them, but probably in different levels. So since we are here talking about nice and pleasurable time, I would like to give you some hints about different love languages and the perfect present for someone who likes that love language. So, words of affirmation. This language means people like using praise, appreciation, and compliments as expression of their love, or that's how they like to be loved. They value declarations of love, expressing affection verbally, special notes from the heart, and stuff like that. So if you can buy a beautiful gift card of a treatment or a beauty package and write, and make sure you don't forget the note, that's first, and second, you really pay attention to what you write in the note. That will capture their heart. The second love language, physical touch. People gravitate towards physical touch in a way of giving and receiving love, enjoy intimacy and touch, just like as it sounds. It can be hand holding, kissing, whatever, or deep, meaningful hugs. Simply receiving a treatment like a massage will get you like to their heart. The next love language is quality time. People that their main love language is quality time, need to spend meaningful time with others, and they always want to hang out, whether it's like deep talks or long walks, whatever. They want to feel like this time with you or with someone is precious, is special, it's quality, it's not just obligation. They want to get the full attention. So active listening, eye contact, and no mobile phone when you are around them. You can go together to a treatment and share this experience when both come together and enjoy the same experience. The next one is receiving gifts. Anyone with receiving gifts as their main love language speaks love and friendship through symbols of love, of giving and receiving. It can be any kind of small things or bigger, depends on the person probably. But they express their love and like to receive love with a gift. So you can get a beauty package with their favorite product, or again, a treatment. Anything goes as long as you give a gift. And the last one will be acts of services. To the people that who really likes acts of services, for them action speaks louder than words. They give and receive by helping out, like cooking a delicious meal, picking up your shopping, or cleaning whatever in your home. with acts of service as love languages, you value when someone goes extra mile for to make life easier for you, and put a smile on your face maybe. So you can make their spa day special by driving them, for example, to the salon. You can make reservation for a local lunch. You can offer to babysit their child when they go to a treatment, for example. So I think that will make your loving gifts even better this year. And if you don't know the book, it's really nice to read. It will really serve you a lot, not only with partners or friendships, also valuable as parenting, to look at your child and understand their love languages and how they love to be loved. So I wish you a beautiful, happy love day, love year, and good luck with your gifts.